Hello little artist. Today we are going to learn new letters Y and Z. Now let's start with letter Y. This is capital Y. Y is for yacht. Say with me kids. Y is for yacht. Wow! Our letter Y is ready. Now let's draw the letter Z. This is capital Z. Z is for zebra. Say with me kids. Z is for zebra. Great! Our letter Z is ready. Let's draw a beautiful yacht. First, I draw the bottom part of the yacht. Y is for yacht. Say with me kids. Y is for yacht. Now let's make a long stick in the middle. Now on the right side, I draw the sail. The sail is like a big cloth on the yacht. It helps the boat move. On the left side, I draw another sail. Now I draw a small flag on the top. Wow, our yacht is ready. Now let's draw a cute zebra. First I draw an oval face. Now I draw the hair. Now let's draw two ears. Now I draw the left arm of the zebra. Next I draw the right arm. Now I draw the left leg. After that I draw the right leg. Now let's draw a tiny tail. Now I draw the two little eyes. And this is nose area. Finally, I draw black stripes on the zebra. Z is for zebra. Say with me kids. Z is for zebra. Wow, our zebra is ready. Now let's color the letter Y. I'm using green color. Don't go outside the lines. Fill all the empty spaces nicely. Make it clean and smooth. Take your time and color neatly. Wow! Our Y looks beautiful in green color. Now let's color the letter Z. I'm using blue color. Don't go outside the lines. Fill all the empty spaces nicely. Take your time and color neatly. Great job! Our Z looks beautiful in blue color. Let's color the yacht. I color the bottom part red. Y is for yacht. Say with me, kids. Y is for yacht. Now I color the left sail sky blue. And the right sail yellow color. Now I color the flag green. Our yacht is ready. Now let's color the zebra. I color inside the ears pink. Now I color the nose area gray. I will also use gray color for the hand and feet. Great job! Our zebra is ready. Y is for yacht. Z is for zebra. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. My channel needs your support a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.